Una day. I greet the full house, so also na day fine. Hello, my people. Also na day fine. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Also na day fine. Help me to share this video, my people. Help me to share this video. Please help me to share. Help me to share. Also, not they find my people. Hello, everybody. Mona come here wetin happen to one of our brother. He wan come talk his story. Wetin happen to am? So help me to share, my people. He go dey online. He go dey on life, eh? So he go tell now wetin happen to am. You know, e good make we hear from him mouth as everything take happen. Don't be small thing. Eh? When I even hear, I come say, I say, okay, you know wetin go happen. Me I kukuma I go on my live video. Then you can't explain, you can't talk wetin happen. Now wow, now wow, my people, I go put her for now. I go call her. He go there with us for yeah. Talk wetin happen to her. When he reach money matter, some people not play with them. When he reach money matter, not play with some people. They not the user until they play with anybody. Now God not the safe person. If you they do business with anybody at all, you the thing say that business is they genuine for the first time. You know say na so they take they enter. For the first time, if you put your money, you just see something, your money go just come back. Just wait a little, just wait small. May you see whether the thing go really they go like that. Now luck anyway, if they do any business with anybody, now luck. Help me to share. I'll call her now. So I want me explain, me talk what happened to her because they don't know what they want to again because they don't even introduce people. No, say when business they go and you can't tell people say, "Mona come, this business is good." No, they will carry money, they will put. Now through you, now they tell enter that business. If something good, problem not there. When it not good, when it not good, whether they draw you up or down. I greet you, see my brother for there. How you dey? How the family? When the something not good, you come the year. You come the year. You come the see problem. As I'll tell you, invite himself. I be na go call me. May I tell her may he call. May he call. May I know because I know they like to take people time like that. Everybody get what you want go do. May I see as I'll tell her. Oh yeah, may you call. Please call. As I'll tell you, Mona no verse, because he want talk. Because if they talk, you good make them they see his face. You understand? They have will no person where they talk to now. I not say person they talk. If they see and you know say okay this person. They confessed. Hello. Yeah. May you say you want to join the live broadcasting. You sure for your side? Yes, click on. Because if you click say you want to join me, it go show me for yes, say somebody want to join, then I go accept you for yeah. No, you they watch me now, right? Then under your phone, hope you show what you show for there. Not show say maybe you want to join me. Yes, for under your phone, nothing there for them. Let me see. What will be your name for Facebook? Wait me, I check her. And they come. Wait, and they come. Because it good make you there for life if you they talk. I love. Why not see you now? Yeah, I know say I did like, but I not see you. Why you not feel? I not see you. Because it's supposed to show, say you want to join me, then I go hard you for this side. Okay, you they watch me, right? Under your phone. Just say you that is invite or something like that. Say you want to join the broadcasting, no? You know they. Oh, I'm not even okay. May you send me your Facebook link. You understand? So let me invite you for this side. Okay, send them. My people more than no vessel. Now wait till they never. Now wait till we never do before. You understand? So it good more than wait first, because it good may join. May they see everybody where you want talk to. You don't send that. Mona no verse, my people, I beg, Mona wait. Okay, me I check on. You know, say many name they like this. Just wait, let me check. So me I for no say now you now one at the coin. Okay, wait. At the right time, I don't hear you. I don't hear. I want to invite you now. Okay, wait. Well, no verse, so my people. Why I'm not condescending for here now? I'm not saying for here. I don't see you. I'm not seeing. No. No, I don't see you at all. I don't just see you at all. I see the link, but me not see you for here. Me I forward you, may you come live. You they watch me, but it not show for here. I not say you they watch me, but you not feel enter. You not feel say you want to join me for the live. Now. Because I be type your name for here, no gree show. And you there for life, they watch me, but you no show for here. Okay, I don't see you. I don't see you for there. As I want to invite you now. Okay, you know feel. Oh God, I don't see you for here, but you not show for the invite, and that be the problem. Oh my God. Because okay, as we tell do one, now may we do one like that because I be say may you show me that they see you because I not agree see you for this thing for here. Wait first, I dey come first. Wait, More than not verse, my people. More than not verse. I know say what person never do before. That has to be, especially when you know and understand that. Normally, you need to click something, then you go join me. Me I see am. Me I use my distance to look and whether I go see. If you there for life, if you they watch me, wait. Let me see. More than not verse, my people. I don't know why you know agree. I don't know be this one. They confess. I'm supposed to see you. No, be you be Pastor Kingsley, no? Now why you do? Now not that thing you give me. Let me invite you. Okay, you know they see me live. I did live. Robinson, they see me. Robinson not follow my page. But Robinson not follow my page. I don't feel invite you. I don't feel invite you. I don't even know why. I be one invite. Because since they watch me, I can feel invite. I'm not gonna know. But you not sure for yeah. You not sure. Okay, tell her like that. Because you know what, eh? As you they watch and so, as you they watch and I confess. Me I not go click what you not supposed to click. You go click like say you want share the video. I don't know what why you tell the watch on that phone. Then you'll see maybe go right time for the invite. Okay, I food there. I don't feel invite you. I be trying to invite Kingsley. You not see him for there. Robinson not agree show. Robinson not show my brother. You know what? Since he not show because I even he did for a year, but I not feel invite you for a year. Wala be la basic or I not agree show. You know what? May we talk like because I be say may them they see you, may them they see person where they talk. Okay, you don't see me live. You feel on a network now cause okay, as you they watch me. It's like maybe you want say you want join the you want join my live video. You not show anything for that. Broadcasting. You don't see me. Okay, you still share. Oh, I don't know as I want to tell you, my brother. Hey, that one. Click that one. Okay, never come here, see. Okay, now your phone, now you concern. As you wanted to one, because you know if you can say you ask for. See why I be like Mexico. Mola no verse. Okay. Okay. Because if I say me you do it for WhatsApp now, I'll come they hold the phone. But now for a year now, you're just there for life. They'll see you. I there with you. Okay, if you not go like that, maybe we do it through WhatsApp. Maybe they see you there, they talk. But now this one, I for good pass, Sha. And it go be video. Or that time you see whether we fit talk. Okay. My people, more na no verse, more na no verse. Una know say na Nigeria na demand dey. Una understand? I know say network everything. So e good may it talk. Wetin happen to her? More na come hear big money where this man carry. One man don't carry money run no. Okay, may you do it and then you send me request again. Ah, wow. Sto facendo video. Ok, nunca água, né? Ok, then I wait for né? Then you don't like the video. All right. Okay, nah, okay, Oma. Where we ba ni ma? Okay. Ni mu weje abi. Okay, na mo dia. Where? Yes, but only do mu we mu, ido hang eh. Ma understand? Obe ma. Okay, we can go on then later do mu we video ma. Okay, then anyhow me yama because more than no verse so my people are beg, pardon. So when I know so many the man talk what happen to her. No explaining man, what may explain to her. Alright? Mona see as people tell they do oh hey. And they come here. May I put on for okay. Oma, my brother, oh yeah, where so I go on.
Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on the location you are. Okay, my area of Yiki, and I'm from Edo State.
No way are many. Hello, my brother. No way are many. See I got all.
My name is Yiki from Edo State, but I reside in Delta State as of precisely. Sometimes in 2019, one of my colleagues, because we run the cooperative here, we call it cooperative City of Wealth. That City of Wealth is a cooperative society. One of our directors, he bring one of their member for church, and he said the guy obtained a dealership certificate from ABS Smith. All these POP Smith, when they do house, he said he have obtained a dealership certificate, and he bring it to my office. After more interview, the guy said he need money to support the business, that whatever thing we put in, there is a specific dividends he will be giving us at the end of the month. Now it's okay, no problem. They are now called executive meeting. We discuss with our fellow directors, and we agreed to venture into it. And I happen to be the president of the City of West. We started faithfully. He have been giving us whatever they promised us. He have been giving us is over the year. Because of that trust, we have to involve other people. Other our money that is in somewhere else, we have to put everything. People have trusted us over the year. They started bringing their money. We are putting it there, and everything was doing it till March this year. That the guy have to call me because he's supposed to pay us every first of every month, 31st, first, 90 they give us that thing that he promised us. Then that day he called me that the company they produce excess goods and they give their goods to sell. Initially, if something like that happen, he will let us know. Once he let us know, we do swap. Then we use old new investors' money to pay old investors. Then we move on. Then he said no problem that by 1st of April is going to settle everything. We should not worry. Based on trust, our trust over the year, he can't lie to me. I said, okay, no problem. As you said, we'll maneuver. Then we try to maneuver, talk to our investors. Okay, we pay them. Till 1st of April. 1st of April, money that is supposed to send to us, he just sent some stipend to us that is weekend already. By Monday or Tuesday, he will go to bank and the company have not paid him. He will go to bank and balance us our money. Even a day two, that is on Tuesday of it, he called me that some of all those major distributors in other states, they have started receiving their money. That on the 6th morning, is send me an audio that is going to bank that any moment from now we see an alert. Then because of that hope and everything, the new investors' money we have to use to settle those old investors' money, and we are paying them. Then on the 6th, this guy have to switch off before.
10 years, what will be the man name? What will be the man name?
The name now Samuele Chukwuemaka Okorie. He's from Okorie. But he resides in Delta State here. Okorie precisely. Then the guy switched off before and disappeared to unknown destination. Then all our effort to contact him all have been in vain. Then we waited, hoping maybe there is a little challenge is going to come out. Waited till month end because we pay our investors every 1st of every month. Other business we are doing, like we do on many business we are doing, we pay them. Then on the 1st, a day to on the 1st, I have to plead them with the house that look at the situation of grant. We'll pay on our money upper month. Since we have not seen this kind of thing before, they have to patient with us and hoping that upper month will pay them. After I waited, nothing is happening. Then I have to write to ESCC report the matter to EFCC. I write to Nigeria Police Force in Abuja, about 2 offices in Abuja. I have to write to Zone 5 in Benin that control Delta State. Then I write to Commissioner of Police in Delta State petition. I write to Area Command. Then we said there now we now see no that other people have also commit their money to it. And one guy have went to bank and they have done the needful. They have done the needful and they have put a seal, they have freeze his account and other things. Then we have been waiting, and the police have declared wanted, he and his wife, because he relocated himself and his wife, they switch off their phone, and there's no alternative number to even reach them. We try to track them to know how all our efforts are being vain. And the reason why we say, okay, we know the power of social media, let us go to social media so that if there's any way people can see us, even when he's hiding, we are pleading to the masses, even the Lord choosing churches, because he fellowship there, and he's also an Ogwashuku branch, and the fellowship there is also an evangelist. They go out to go and preach. Then we are still pleading to the entire member of Lord choosing. If there's any way worldwide they see him, they should report to the nearby police station. And anyone like a Boeing Union people, we are pleading with them. There's any way they can see him, anybody that's seeing with the vital information, they should report to the nearby police station because they are declaring wanted.
Inigo, how much is the money, my brother?
The total money we have put in his hand now is 195 million naira. 195 million naira.
Jesus.
That is our own that is there. Not other people, because I can only say of my own.
Yeah.
Not other people, so.
And you people did not know the family of this man. Maybe the background, anything at all.
We know his family. We have even checked into his village. His house in village is locked everywhere. Except only one of his brother that is in Kitty State. We call him. That one say he's even looking for his brother. But I know they will take the necessary action on that one any moment for now. That's just the issue of Ghana. It's really touching.
What about the people that invest their money?
They are on our neck, Nana. They are on our neck. That is why we have to plead them with some. We have opened up to some that look at the situation of Grand, and they have to bear with us. And
I think they kidnapped the man.
I don't know. I can't really say it now.
But the man have the man get pikin. I be not get pikin.
He get what?
He get pikin. He not get children. He not get children.
You said what?
I said whether the man get children.
He get about 2 children. His wife is even pregnant for.
And what about the children? I don't even see the children.
They are small children now. The man run away with them now. He carried them and run away.
My people now, my brother, this man where you they talk about, so this what they call him Sam, I think Samuele, you say be name just now.
Samuele.
Yeah, which time you tell no the man? You don't say where you know I've been just because of business. Now you tell no how.
Since 2019, now through that business, now one of our director for City of where they go to the same church and he have started the business. I have trusted him. That is why he bring it to us. And we involve in it. That is how I know they're just tired because it is frustrating. It's really frustrating.
Now wow, because na big money, because people wanna way through, because people will enter the business be true now. They go need their money because they don't want to hear story.
They don't want to hear story. I've sent you man. I've sent you request now.
Okay, me I see whether it never come. It never come.
And the last transaction he did before they do something about his account was Abuja. It's on his way. We don't really know his whereabouts.
Okay, the my account, the freezer, be.
Yeah?
The my account, the freezer.
Yeah, they are freeze the account.
One where send the request to my show. Yeah? Send me the request again.
Okay, let me try to do it again.
Now wow, mona tuna the year with person. Hey, now wow. The man get house for that side. He get your own house where he build. Maybe he don't pay finish. He get her.
village. No say Igbo gonna before they think they must build us a village.
Gas village.
Landed properties.
Now why my brother, because I don't know what I want to really tell you, because this story not be small, not be something like say na okay, me I see don't come. Ni mo wedge your mouth.
Okay, man.
Add to it. Yeah, the when the wago show, ba.
Okay.
Now, wow, money, big money like that. The man don't bag out. Won't come know where he go. Whether because me people they think because the man be they pay before. Now just something, maybe something happened to her, or maybe the kidnapper.
Only know now. That's why we are appealing to the general public. Anyone with better information about him, they should report to the neighbor police station because they have declared.
The time when he give una, that is give instead of him to give una full money, he can't give una half, Abi, because it never happened before, Abi. And that one you talk just now, because you can't say okay, never happened.
Yes.
But what you tell una, what you make and give una half money, not tell una anything, what they go on.
No, he say he will go to bank that he want to transfer the finance. Even that money, that Wednesday money on the 6th of April, he sent me a voice call that he's going to bank. Any moment from now we get it. Before I know it, the phone is switched off. I was thinking maybe it's network or maybe battery issue. I have to wait until the other day. His phone is switched off. Even till now it's switched off.
Even the wife, the same thing.
The same thing, and the people now they are not taking it lightly with us. So,
they don't feel taken lightly, like they come. They come first. This thing just there.
So I'm taking it like people, so I'm not taking it like that.
Sorry, Mona not verse like people. This something does. Yeah, because you be saying that the thing don't go back again. Now the network. Now the network now because I be argue again because the thing don't go back again. Now wow, because those people where put their money, they're not going to hear any story because anyway good as soon as don't go report because maybe people no say no be so that they lie or something like that. So the even in business he close everything down.
Yes, so you have to close everything down.
Right.
It's even nowhere to be found now.
I pray say I know because I don't know as I want to talk. The thing no they go, no worry. Hey, worry because we take send there or when network the network not good because if for join. Because the thing no one no agree go. Because this man now the money where he carry now not be small money and people no one year they need their money back.
That's just the issue now.
What did they call tell you now? Well, as una go report, what did they call tell you now? Because you know say
the ESCC now they are on the matter now and the other police forces.
Which time I tell reports? Which time I tell reports?
As is land. This month we report. Because we have to wait till maybe the guy will come out, maybe there's something that happened.
Yes.
Because you have never done something like that since over the year. We have to give it grace. After some time now, then we have to switch into action now.
Yes, because people now get their money, they need that. Hi, now wow. Now wow, I pray may anything not happen to her. May not be say maybe the kidnapper or maybe you know say that our country still good. May we see the tick sometimes because person like that where the pikin they not see and wife they not see, they close everything down. You know even the phone not they even they go because that kind of person a person where be say money there with her. You know no say that we still good sometimes. May we still think about all these things. Whether you run or because if you just run come on for Nigeria, where you want to go? Or you just travel out. Hey. Now, wow, my people. Now, yes, story. Now, the year. Brother, if anything there when you want to, maybe you talk because the thing not really go to it good that we they talk like this for you. Then later, I feel posted the picture and the video where you send, can't give me the one where you saw na take go, we na take go, the one wanna take go police this thing be. Maybe the one where you send, can't give me.
The information and everything, the scriptures and everything, just that most other people still go to court. The guy went go court. Now those one they declare unwanted now. Because our EFCC and everything, every information is there. His picture, his WhatsApp, Facebook page, and everything is there now. And his wife will have sent everything to you. And we will do a short video. Some of my executives will do a short video and send to you again.
Okay, I will see him later when we don't finish. And this thing now, my brother, where the phone not they go again, it don't reach 2 weeks, Abi. It don't pass 2 weeks now.
A month plus now.
A month plus.
So the 6th of April. It's going to 2 months now.
Hey, my people, now they hear story, now they hear what they happen, now hear what happened to them now. Another person they will want to talk for them.
Okay. Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
And they hear you.
You say what another person they want to talk. I keep on listening.
If you get what you want join, I don't know, my brother. The thing tire everybody for you. The thing will tire me self.
The guy went introduce that to us that one of us.
Okay, now this one we want to talk so. Now introduce that to now. Okay.
The same church that they go.
Okay.
Good evening, man.
Hello, my brother. Good evening. What will be your name, my brother?
Samuele Robinson, Peter.
Okay.
Robinson.
Okay. Good evening, my brother. This man, which time you tell know this? I don't tell one and known as where you know him.
What we know, I know him 2018 when he came to our location where I stay at Okorie.
Yeah.
So he asked to come to our church and also identify himself as a member of our church. That is the Lord choosing church.
Yeah.
So as they worship together, so as time goes on, they now begin to tell us that the business that he's doing before, and he started it again, and they are connected for a way that one can put in money and be receiving some certain percentage.
Yeah.
So he introduced it to me. I've been a person that we are together in the church, so worshiping in the same church. So I happen to introduce it to my colleagues here, which is this person you just spoke with now.
Yeah.
So he explained everything to me. So we now started on 2019. 2019, all the agreement. He had been fulfilling it. It is this year, and on February, last month of February or March, that he said that not make up with the payment due to because of the excess goods they bought. Filas. There's one people they call filas in POB, like sponge. So they used to do a POB. So he says that what is a company bought excess, and they gave it to them to distribute. So therefore, they will do a spillover payment to the month of March. So being the person that we are together since 2019, we don't need to have issue with you. We say no problem. So we have to know where we can settle our investor people on the house.
Yes.
So the month of March, so getting to the April, we are waiting to pay the month of February and March together, which we will pay in April. That's where this story started. On 6th of April, he just switched off his phone and moved away. We did not hear from him.
Hey.
I know he's feeling that Mbanuku Issue Development Center out of the local government area of the state.
Do you people went to the village to go and ask?
Very many people, including us. So there's nowhere. If you go there, many people are in fact are going there. In fact, even the villagers are complaining that invested in brother
In fact, we trace his cars and they say that they are sold his in Jeep and other things. So his shop locked down, his residence where he's living close, so there's no way to trace him. That's why, because of the people, investors under the sector where we are managing, the cooperative society we are managing, that's why we say let's come also so that they will not feel that we are the one that eat their money.
They eat their money.
Then we are fulfilling our agreement. So that's why we are here.
Now wow. Anyway, since EFCC don't enter, now don't report. We'll see as everything will be.
EFCC at Benin. That's where the headquarters is.
Okay.
And other police formation like Zone 5, area command here, and state division and Abuja as well. So that's what we are into. So 195,000, 195 million is what is with. That is for our corporate.
For our side. That one for our side.
So church members and other people also. Their money also there. But we are talking about our own.
Yeah. Maybe the man don't go abroad though. Maybe he don't even travel, come out. We don't know. We are talking to we are actually to the public, even the member of the church, whatever they see him. The picture will be there. So his name is Samuele Chukwuemaka from Okorie State, on the local government area of Okorie State. Wow.
He's a married man with the 2 children.
I pray may they see the man anyway. Bros, thank you. Thank you for the information. I get everything for this phone. So I don't want me on a fair talk what happen to now so that people will know what they go on. So later the day, I go post the video. One I said can give me with the picture of the man, everything. I go post them for here. In case anybody will know, they feel contact now. You understand? Because let's not just speak carry money like that.
I will send you numbers when they go fit call or the police when they go fit call in case.
Yes.
Anybody with private information, I'll drop everything on your WhatsApp.
Yes, you'll send everything. I will post them.
Okay. Thank you, man.
Thank you, my brother.
Really
no problem. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye. My people, you know easy. You know easy. Una the year what they happen. Because when you go introduce person, say, see this job, is they good or this investment good or everything a risk for life. Because if person where you introduce don't enter inside that business, say get can enter. You wait, stay, can't join. Now you down they draw they go because the time when this man contact me, he tell me say see what they go and the people now they don't want hear. Now know where it come to money. Nobody want hear what they go on. I go post everything where they said, call give me. This one at the come here, show now the. This one at the picture. This one at the man and the wife. Maybe this one. Where carry money run come out so whether they run no, we never know. Whether they kidnapper or we don't know. This one and the man with his wife. Then later, I go put the video. This one and the wife. So they close everything down. Nowhere to find. This one and the wife. Can you imagine? Even their phone, the two phone not they go. The man will not they go. The husband will not they go again. Their job they close them down. Later I go put them for here for Namona for see them in case. Even the letter when they take go when they take go report to them, they send everything. Can't give me. I say, okay, may I give the opportunity to make them take talk. What happen to them? Because you know, say to the talker, you were not there, you must make mistake. But people wait this something happen to either they talker, therefore just the talker clearly. I be say me I invite am because na Nigeria then do na know say network Nigeria na see say we with the talk just na network no gree come no gree go. But I'll put their video now see them the time when they go report the video themselves. I go put am for una. My people, wanna be careful. They not they use money to they play with anybody. This one na 2019. Now you say now they say no then now 19, 20, 21, 22. 3 years. It's still good. Make you for just say you don't know person, but this life and when it comes to money, you not feel no person say this person I trust and I know and well. Hey, you get as it be. Even his brother saying he never even hear of him. Maybe the man don't kukuma carry money, don't arrange everything, he don't do visa. This one is my opinion. Hey, not to say do. If you just be say don't arrange everything, oh yeah, they'll just bag and come out. But as EFCC don't enter inside, everything don't, even though say they for abroad, they go draw a come carry and go Nigeria. They will draw a come this side because you know if you carry people money, you run come out, go sit down for abroad. No, you must come back, come pay their money. Then when you want to go, you feed they go. My people, may I leave una? May I leave una? I go put everything when they send come when they bring come. So because they want make people still know who know them. And make them for know say then they look for them. Now here we talk and just now say it's now wanted. The man with his wife, then they look for them. EFCC they look for them. Everybody they don't report the case, so then they look for them. Since they don't feel get them for phone, they don't feel contact, they don't feel see any contact. They even the village people self, nobody. His brother say no where then they. The business where they get, they lock everything. The house they lock them. So I will put her for Namona and see everything later the day. Una bye-bye. Thank you for being here. Help me to share. Very important. Help me to share. So I go put everything. Una go still help me share that one because anybody where you see there, and when I know say some people there now, you go the thing saying they hide, they go. No say person don't see her from one corner. So Mona for call that number. Say Mona see you. Then they look for all these people, all this person. Bye-bye, everybody. One love keep us together. Now bye-bye.